This video has been re-uploaded and mirrored for documentary and educational purposes to protect the community at large.
I'm just trying to tell you, even if I didn't make this video and tell you, it's still the case that you've been served with the summons and have read the complaint, I assume. You knew that I asked for 3 million. I assume you've read both the amended complaint and the original complaint. I'm assuming that because you happen to know the details, some of them. Let's say you motion to dismiss, and I have screenshots of you after being served with the lawsuit, continuing with this cruel, trickery, victimizing behavior. Do you think that that is going to help you at all in any way whatsoever? So you are playing a game in which I can see no winning for you unless your goal is to go to prison or to have a $50 million judgment against you, which is possible. It's possible. It's possible. The scope of crimes that you may have committed, I would allege, is vast and not inconsequential and grave. The reason I wanted to make this is to tell you this. It's worse to do these things now. Each one, don't underestimate the gravity of a single offense at this juncture. That is the truth. That at this point, every civil violation that you commit is 100 times worse in terms of how you're going to be seen by a court, in my opinion. As a non-lawyer, pro se litigant who has been forced into the situation that he's in having to sue you, when you get into cruel behavior, when you get into cruelty, there are emotional damages. There are. It's not a joke. It's not even like nothing. It's not even to be minimized. They're just as valid as physical damages. But when you're cruel on top, like you can be negligent, for example, and incur emotional damages, hypothetically. But if you're being cruel, I believe you get what is called an exponentially higher figure. When the cruelty is ongoing for a period of time, let's say 2 weeks, it's bad. When the period is ongoing, let's say a month, it's pretty fucking bad. It's pretty fucking bad. We're talking about years, multiple years, multiple. And I count every day that you had the imposed rule on me that if I so much as speak your name, that you're gonna put all the videos back up. And it's not just putting the videos back up, it's also tormenting me. It's also the gang stalking, Mr. Thompson. I mean, honestly, I could cry. I literally could cry every time I think about this.
This video has been re-uploaded and mirrored for documentary and educational purposes to protect the community at large.